In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products into your Wix store in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a new store or expanding your product line, importing products via CSV is a powerful and efficient way to get your items listed quickly. Let's walk through this process together. First, you'll want to head to the Wix website and sign into your account. Once signed in, navigate to your dashboard. Now here's where we begin. Locate the Accept Payments section. This is your launching point for managing your store products. Next, you'll want to hover over the word Catalog in the menu that appears. This section is crucial as it houses all the product related tools you'll need. With your mouse, simply glide over it without clicking. By doing this, you'll reveal additional options for managing your products. After hovering, the next step is to click on Store Products. This will take you directly to the list of all your current product offerings. This page is essentially the hub of your store's inventory, where each product is displayed along with its details. Once you're on the Store Products page, look for the option labeled More Actions. It's usually located at the top right or along the side of the page. Go ahead and click on this. The More Actions menu offers several useful functions, and the one we're interested in today is import related. After clicking More Actions, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, click on the option marked Import. This will guide you to the step where you can bring in product data from an external file, which is often the fastest method if you have a lot of items to input. The final step in this process involves clicking on Upload CSV File. A CSV or comma separated values file is a simple format for transferring lots of product data quickly. Make sure your CSV is correctly formatted before attempting this step. It's essential for a smooth import. Now browse your computer to find your product CSV file, select it and upload it to your store. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully imported products into your Wix store using a CSV file. Remember, this method allows you to efficiently manage a large catalog of items and update details like pricing, descriptions, and inventory status swiftly. If you encounter any issues during the process, make sure to double check your CSV formatting against Wix's import guidelines. Thanks for watching and happy selling.